Lesson number 3, keeping clean. Today I'm going again because yesterday 30 students were absent. Okay, yesterday I have read this page for you and hopefully you all have read at home, because yesterday as homework I have given you lesson number 3 and maybe you have done. Okay, this is an image and here is written which image do you like. Okay, there are two images. In first image you can see things are lying on beach and everything is rearranged. So students, second image you can see all things are arranged and definitely you will take second image because it is clean and tidy. Which child do you think is better, dirty and clean? And first child is not looking good. You can see her hair, her lipstick, everything is looking bad. But the second child is looking very nice and it is looking clean. So definitely you will tick second child. She looks nice. How do we keep ourselves clean? Here are some ways of keeping clean. Brush your teeth in the morning and at night. In the video you have seen how to brush twice a day. You should brush because when you are cleaning your mouth, you are brushing your teeth. After that you can save your teeth, क्योंकि आपके दांत जो है वो हीरे मोतियों से भी ज़्यादा कीमती हैं. When you feel pain, you cannot eat. So teeth are very important and हमारे इम्यून सिस्टम में सिर्फ एक दांत ऐसे हैं जिनको हमारा इम्यून सिस्टम हील नहीं करता. तो जब आपके दांत खराब हो जाते हैं तो आपको डेंटिस्ट के पास जाना पड़ता है और ट्रीटमेंट लेना पड़ता है. So it is very painful. So you should be careful about your teeth. So brush twice a day, in the morning and at night. You can save water if you turn the tap off while brushing your teeth. As we all know, in the school when we were attending the morning assembly, Miss Huma always spoke, save water. So we should save water because water is a precious thing of God and it's a great blessing of God. So many works we are doing when we are having water. So save water because it's a blessing. Have a bath or a shower every day. As you all know, summer is going on, so we should take bath regularly. When you are taking bath, after that you remove all germs. So take bath every day and always use soap. Keep your nose clean. Use your handkerchief or a tissue. Okay students, when you are feeling your nose is dirty, you can use handkerchief and a tissue, and after that you can clean your nose. But don't do this in front of others. You can use washroom to do and to clean this your nose. Wash your hands before eating anything. Before eating and after eating, you can wash your hands with soap. And in these days, students, especially everybody is saying, wash your hands, wash your hands. So you should wash your hands with soap. Wash your hands with soap after you have been to toilet. Okay, when you have been to toilet, you should wash your hands with a soap. Cut your nails regularly, keep them clean. You should clip your nails when they are growing, because when you are eating, you are using your hands. So keep your nails clean and cut them regularly, because you are using your hands when you are eating. When you are not cutting your nails, when you are not clipping your nails, after that so many germs you are eating with your food. When you are eating, it means with your food you are eating germs. So wash your hands, clip your nose, clip your nails and keep them clean. Brush or comb your hair. So when you comb your hair, you look nice. So always set your hair when you are taking online classes. Question answers. Yesterday I have explained, but today again I'm going to read for you students, and those who were absent yesterday, listen it carefully. What other things do you do to keep clean? Answer is, I clean my ears, cut nails, wear clean clothes and keep my books and bag clean. Okay. कौन सी ऐसी चीजें हैं जिनसे हम अपने आप को साफ कर सकते हैं? I clean my ears. You can clean your ears. But students, be careful when you are cleaning your ears. You can use cotton buds, because ear is a very sensitive part of our body. So you should clean carefully. Cut your nails, because when you are eating, you are using your hands. So your hands should be clean and neat. Wear clean clothes. Definitely everybody wants to show himself or herself clean and neat. So you can wear clean and nice clothes and keep my books and bag clean. Always you can arrange your books in your bag. This way you can arrange your things and you can clean yourself. Question number 2 is, what things do you need to keep yourself clean? कौन कौन सी चीजें हमें चाहिए जिनसे हम अपने आप को साफ कर सकते हैं? In the given lesson, students, you have to read all these things and you can see the pictures also in lesson number 3. And these things are water. Yes, very necessary part, because when we are using soap, we use soap and water to wash our hands. So water is the first one. Water is the first thing. Second one, soap, towel, nail clipper, toothbrush, toothpaste, comb, clean clothes. All these things are available at home, and you can see easily all these things. But you should know how to use these things, and after that you can keep yourself clean. Our clothes. We must also keep our clothes clean. Yes, definitely our clothes should be clean and tidy. Yasir and Anam are helping their mother. She is busy washing clothes. So both these children are helping their mother. Anam and Yasir are helping their mother. So you should also be helpful students to everyone, especially at home. You can help your mother. Anam and Yasir are hanging them out to dry. Yes, this work they are doing with their mother. When the clothes are dry, the children will fold them neatly. So you can also do this activity at home, because you all know your mother is doing from morning to evening all work for you. So hats off to your mother and help your mother when she is asking something. We all wear clothes. Clothes cover and protect our bodies. Okay, students, we are wearing clothes because they protect and cover our bodies. So seasonal clothes we are wearing. When it is cold, we wear warm clothes. During summer, during winter, we wear warm clothes. So warm clothes keep your body warm. And when it is hot, we wear light clothes. Yes, definitely during summer, we wear light and loose clothes. Okay. At school, we wear a uniform. As you all know, during school, you people are wearing uniform. And St. Anthony's uniform, you all are wearing when you are going to school. So it also looks nice. Question answers once again. Clothes question answers. What clothes do you wear in winter? We wear warm clothes in winter. Okay, like jackets, sweaters, gloves, all these clothes we are wearing during winter. What clothes do you wear in summer? We wear light clothes in summer because we feel not comfortable. So this is the reason we wear light and loose clothes during summer. Make a list of clothes you are wearing now. Okay, right now what are you wearing? Here are different options: frock, shirt, knickers, shorts, trousers. You can just write your answer. Like if you are a girl, you can tick frock because girls always wear frock, and boys can write trousers, shorts and knickers. What are you wearing? You will write the answer. Okay, student. Next, we will do work page. Very easy work and easily you can match. So you may open page number 15. Page number 15 and hold your pencil because right now you will match. It's a matching. Look at the picture below. Match the correct name to each picture. Then tell your teacher what each one is used for. Okay, you can see there are 6 pictures and their names, and you will match the picture with the name. First one is towel. Can you see towel? Yes, I can see. Here is a towel, green color towel. So match it. Cross matching you will do. Yes. Second one, comb. Can you see comb? Yes, I can see comb. You will match like this. Third one, soap. Okay. You will match with soap. Toothpaste. Yes. Again, match it with toothpaste. Nail clippers. Yes, you can match with nail clippers. Usually you people say nail cutter. So here is written nail clippers. Word is nail clippers. So match it with the picture. And last one is handkerchief. Yes, now you will match. So this matching is done. You will do this work in your social studies book, work page 15. Hope you all have done. Okay, B activity is fill in the blanks. I use dash and dash to wash my hands. Okay, I use water and soap to wash my hands. In first blank, you will write soap and second water. I use soap and water to wash my hands. Right? Number 2, I use dash to cut my nails. Here you will write nail clippers. I use nail clipper to cut my nails. I repeat it. I use nail clippers to cut my nails. In your book, spellings are written. N-A-I-L, nail. C-L-I-P-P-E-R-S, nail clippers. Number 3, I use a dash to keep my nose clean. Here are two options, tissue or handkerchief. So students, you can write tissue because in these days people always use tissue. I use a tissue to keep my nose clean. T-I-S-S-U-E, tissue. Number 4, I brush my dash in the morning and at night. I brush my teeth. Yes, here you will write teeth. T-H-E-E-T-H, teeth. Number 5, I dash my hair to look neat. I comb my hair to look neat. You will write comb, C-O-M-B. Student, second option, you can also write brush. It's a correct answer. You can write comb and brush. One thing you can write. I comb my hair to look neat. Right? Okay, now come to the C activity. Pick the correct answer. Okay, here are 3 statements and you will just take the correct answer. We wear warm clothes when it is dash. I repeat it. We wear warm clothes when it is dash. Hot, sunny, cold. कौन से कपड़े हम warm clothes कब पहनते हैं? When it is cold. So tick cold. Right? First answer is cold. Number 2, we dash our clothes to make them clean. Wash, brush, dry. The correct answer is wash. We wash our clothes to make them clean. Wash, tick wash. Number 3, when our clothes have been washed and dried, we should. जब हमारे कपड़े धुल भी जाते हैं, सूख भी जाते हैं, तो हमें क्या करना चाहिए? First option is fold them neatly. Second option is put them on the floor. So which one is the correct answer? Yes, first one, fold them neatly. So A is correct answer. I repeat it, A is a correct answer. Fold them neatly. So that is all about students.